if I want to take 50 centimetres and find out how much that is in millimetres, let's look on the ruler again. Here's 50 centimetres, it's half a metre. There's 50 centimetres in there. How many millimetres will that be? Each one of those 50 is 10 millimetres. So we need to multiply by 10. So when we're going from a bigger unit to a smaller one, we need to multiply. Big to small, multiply. And here, each centimetre has 10 millimetres, so we need to multiply by 10. So 50 times 10 will equal 500 millimetres.
Tarakara tewara no, pamugane, a kevara units ne kevara centimeters, but make a shorter letter millimeter ne o sale no, pamuga trapia dovera, a wepina boy no. A kevara 50 centimeters ne overa pay, overa tawa mono, tawa, la 1 meter mono, tawa ne, trapia wera 1 centimeters ne overa a cachone overa 10 millimeters, no? A hone, paquawera, yeti hone, coprola 1 centimeter ne, over 10, a cachone, over 10 centimeters a hone, bagaba, we are the chi, no? Pamugadra de, permit hotele, a do, ne, permit hotele a chi, a do, a su, a chi, ne, bagaba, we are. The coprola 1 centimeter ne over 10 millimeters hone bagaba we are the chi. Combination ne 50 ye chi we are the chi. A serne yegaya millimeters.
Back to converting units. We have a rectangle, so the area, the space inside is going to be the base times the height. The base is 7 metres, the height is 520 centimetres. Do you notice a problem here? Metres and centimetres, they're not the same.
Units that looping. The make rectangle, no? That rectangle. I get area, Pagaba who were at that law, that le, say, Bacola area, ne, Pagaba mawera, base, that a kai base, a key, we are times a height, no, a height ne at all. No, a base ne, a key high ne, nui, we are a height ne, yega kichi. Basadanaki, takota ke odaka. A units ne a did lay meters, lay honey centimeters.
We need to convert one of these to the other unit. If we look on the question, it tells us to give your answer in centimetres. So we have to change the metres to centimetres. Metres is big, centimetres is smaller. Big to small, we need to multiply.
The Tratera no, Pamugane, Copula units, the depth of a hone meter, centimeters, net depth of a hone, Pagaba chocolate carca. The Mequalata Piquane, Aquera, give your answer in centimeters square. Comione, Pagaba chocolate meter, Pagaba chocolate centimeters. A communaba chocolate meters to centimeter. Hone, but Mequawera meters ne, a gavera a do, centimeters ne, a chi. A hone, but me chocolate. A do su a chene bagaba we are.
How many centimetres in a metre?
Ratewara a centimetre o tetele, la 1 metre, a butcher chichi pony centimetre o tetele.
Remember our metre ruler? How many little centimetres were in there? There's 100 centimetres to a metre.
Now Trapia Muga away ruler anymore, no Piawera 1 meter ne over 100 centimeters.
So we need to multiply our meters by 100. 7 times 100 will be 700 centimetres. Now we have both of them in the same unit. Both are in centimetre units. We can go ahead and use our formula for a rectangle and multiply 700 times 520.
Okay, pamuga yitera kamache no. Kapula 1 meter ne over 100 centimeters. Akone nui ne pagabagi ada takaya. Dito pagaba chotele meter to centimeters. Nui vi ada takaya ne pani wera nui kaya akero centimeters li no. Now we pay ye kaya kichi centimeters. Akone pe mikiki paki gadagila a formula daily no formula area ne base time height me ya akone base ne pe chotele wili pamuga meter to centimeter ne akewara nui kaya centimeters we are yegaya kichi centimeters no.
The answer is 364,000. 1,000 is 3 zeros. Square centimeters.
Asane no pamuga bagi ane overa thirgala hugala the Louis mer centimeters squared. Coprula bahu area hone kewada squared. Baba punano kila poko.
This time we're going to use a triangle for our second example. Remember, the area of a triangle is a half of what the rectangle would have been. So we're still going to use the base and the height, but we have to remember to divide by 2 at the end.
Tarakane dito tholo akotone bagaba chotele wera units to no. Tarahi wera pay ta go khai wa go wera la triangle. Bagaba to no ba no triangle ne o wera rectangle tawa no tawa hone a formula ne dito tholo akewera base tagia kwichi VR times height. Takai height key porter ne ake height.
We have 190 centimetres for our base and 2.1 metres for the height. Notice the problem. One is in centimetres, the other is in metres. They're different units, so you can't just multiply them together. You need to convert. Read the question. The question says, give your answer in metres. So we want this one to stay the same, and this one has to be converted.
Dito yite pya pamuga to ne no. A base a key ne over that takaya kwichi. A height a tone 2.1 key porter. Pamekwa ne ta kota ke odoli ke. A unit takai ne ake centimeters. Lay the car ne ake meters. Adidi thola da ba hone pagi at tiba. A hone pagaba chot lecho no. Lay tatikwa over give your answer in meters squared. Kopyane pagaba chot lege centimeters to meters. A hone meter ne o la la the low chot leba pagaba chot le that play.
Okay. So we're going from centimetres is smaller than metres, so we're going from something small to something bigger. Small to big, we need to divide. What do we need to divide by? How many centimetres are there in a metre? How many centimetres in 1 metre? There are 100. Remember our metre ruler? Not going to hit you, Paul. There are 100 little centimetres in 1 metre.
Idovrate no pamuga kopula centimeters ne a che meters hone a do. Akone pe mekwa ne a do a che su a do paka chot lewera a che su a do ne paka ba no pa. Paka no pa thelo. Pamuga trap ya wera la ruler ne de wera 1 meter ne over 100 centimeters. According to the meter ne la a pretty popoche a butcher 1 meter ne over တကရာ centimeters
Therefore, we need to divide 190 by 100. You could do that on a calculator, or you could move the decimal point over 2 places. And the answer, therefore, is 1.9 metres.
ခေါပလိုလာယတဲ့ဖမှုကနေ1 meter နေအိုဝဲတာ100 centimeters အခုနေပကဘာနောဖာဒတကရ100เนาะမီတမီပါနေနမီတဲ့တော့နောဖာပါနေပသဝဲတာ decimals ဝါကောဝဲတာတခိုင်အဖို့စီတရဖမှုကအပြဝဲတာအသခီတီခေါပလိုလာ0 o key plus အခုနေအသဝဲတာခီတီနေအစနေနေဝဲတာတဖို့ခွီ meters
1.9, the base is 1.9 metres. Is that all we do? It's a triangle. What do we have to do with triangles? You have to halve it. Mathematically on your calculator, that means you need to divide by 2. You should grab your calculator and you should type it in from left to right. 2.1 times 1.9 and then divided by 2.
Ito tara te pamuga to no pa chodle wili pamuga units ne meters adit to lo dali ho ne pakaba sara wera pa formula khani pa sara te lo no formula ne ke mena di le ake wera base time height ho ne base ne pa chodle wili pamuga ake ra we meters di the for qui we are height ne atho ne 2 key porter 2.1ခေါပလိုလာအကဲဝရ triangle နဲ့အကဲတဝါလောက်ခုနေပဝီအဘလပပ surgeon နဲ့တေးပါပကဘာနောဖာဂီဒ key
Thank you, Paul. Can you teach me some words? How do you say converting?
chodele
Chordelay. Is that good or bad?
That's good.
Okay.